All right, let's look at question 7 here. Question 7, you're going to find the measurement of the value of each variable, okay? Here we have a bunch of inscribed angles intersecting inside a circle. So please notice that the measurement of EDH is equal to the measurement of angle EGH. The reason why is they have the same intercepting arc of EH. Therefore, X has to be equal to 47. All right, let's look at B. Well, first of all, please notice that the line MK is the diameter, so that's 180. Okay, therefore the arc MK is also 180. Therefore X has to be 90. Okay, then if we use triangle sum, we can then get Y as 50 because inside the triangle it has to add up to 180 degrees. The last one, Y is the intercepting arc of PS, right? And notice the one that has that same arc is also the measurement of angle PRS. So Y and 40 has to be the same because they share the same intercepting arc of PS. X is the inscribed angle of arc QR, but QR is also shared with the other angle. So both angle QPR and angle QRS have the same intercepting arc of QR. Therefore, X has to be equal to 45. Okay. I'll try and bring the 47 here. Okay. So here you go, right there. X is also 47. There you go.